successfully saving the tiger, the mouse deer continued to rush into the forest. He was so afraid that the tiger was chasing him.
Setelah berhasil menipu harimau, si kancil terus berlari dengan kencang masuk ke dalam hutan. Ia begitu takut kalau harimau terus mengejarnya. Mouse deer was vibrating hairs. He stopped to rest and drink. Near the river, occasionally he looked left and right, afraid that there was a tiger who will go to him.
Nafas kancil terengah-engah. Ia berhenti sejenak untuk beristirahat dan minum di dekat sungai. Sesekali ia menengok kanan kiri, takut ada harimau yang akan memergokinya. After resting, the mouse deer continued his journey because it was almost dark. He ran fast again.
Setelah puas beristirahat, kancil kembali melanjutkan perjalanan karena hari sudah mulai gelap. Ia berlari dengan kencang. Mouse deer continues to run fast with her region to the surrounding, including an earth will of him continues to run until heads unclowing will into ten only will.
Kancil terus berlari dengan kencang tanpa memperdulikan di sekelilingnya, termasuk sebuah sumur tua yang ada di depannya. Ia terus berlari hingga tanpa sadar ia terpelosok ke dalam sumur tua itu. While in the well, that was a little far with water. There was very surprised. He felt very stupid because of running without seeing the surroundings. Mouse deer tried to get out of the well. They tried as much as possible, but his effort still failed.
Sementara di dalam sumur yang sedikit berisi air itu, kancil sangatlah kaget. Ia merasa sangat bodoh karena ia berlari tidak melihat sekitarnya. Kancil berusaha untuk keluar dari sumur itu. Ia berusaha semaksimal mungkin, namun usahanya tetaplah gagal. The famous mouse deer was a little confused when he had to in the well. He was almost depression because of the well was so deep. Now he can only wait for help from only animals.
Kancil yang terkenal pintar itu sedikit kebingungan ketika harus berada di dalam sumur. Ia hampir putus asa karena sumur itu begitu dalam. Kini ia hanya dapat menunggu pertolongan dari hewan lain. While in the well, a wolf was crushed and at first the earth was singing happily.
Sementara di atas sumur, seekor serigala sedang kehausan dan mendekati sumur tua itu sambil bernyanyi dengan kegirangan. The whole sound was heard by the mouse deer at the bottom of the well. Immediately, he connected the wall. So mouse deer, the was and suppression to hear the deer from the well.
Nyanyian serigala itu terdengar oleh kancil yang di dasar sumur. Segera saja ia memanggil serigala. Serigala, serigala, panggil kancil. Serigala terkejut mendengar suara kancil dari dalam sumur. Mouse deer, why are you in it? Asked the wolf. I'm talking a lot of crap here. Well, you help me take it, said deer.
Kancil, kenapa kamu di dalam situ? Tanya serigala. Aku sedang mengambil banyak mutiara di sini. Maukah kamu membantu aku mengambilnya? Ucap kancil. The farmer's grave was also thick. Wow, bright. I can bury. I was can get good. Mouse deer, I will immediately help you create the wall. The lower, the better
terkenal raksasa itu pun berpikir, "Wah, mutiara, aku bisa kaya kalau aku bisa mendapatkannya." "Baik kancil, aku akan segera membantumu," teriak serigala kemudian menurunkan timba air dan menaiki timba satunya. Now the bucket had been lowered. Mouse Deer in return climbed the bucket. "Wolf, why will you go up to the bucket and in return come down here? Because there are so many fish," said Mouse Deer.
Mengetahui timba itu sudah diturunkan, kancil segera menaiki timba itu. "Serigala, cepat kamu naik ke timba itu dan segera turun kemari, karena mutiaranya begitu banyak," teriak kancil.